how's it going, everybody? Hope you guys are all doing well. With us today, we got the Cobra 5-inch shells from Warrior Fireworks. You guys, I picked these up at OutLaw Pyro. I can tell that the shells are numbered and labeled 1 through 24 with effects, so we will load them up 1 through 24. Let's get inside, get them loaded up. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and as always, burn that like button. Alright, got these Cobra Kais opened up, you guys. It is a 12-inch fiberglass tube with a concrete plug. It does come with 4 of them. I'm going to get these loaded up and lit up.